When the sun rises, so do they. When the wind blows, they stand tall. They are the ones who brings light to our homes and power to our future. Their dedication brings us closer to the dream of a sustainable tomorrow. Their adherence to quality and safety policies paves the way for a zero-emission future. So when it comes to their safety, we go beyond training. We build a foundation of awareness, preparedness, and concern. Safety is not just about helmets and harnesses. It is caring about each other, following each safety protocols, as it is more than a training. It is a promise of protection and a safe working environment. Not just a practice, but a culture in motion. Lived every step, every choice, every moment. And knowing that every step taken with care is a step closer to home. Home, a place of peace and harmony, where our loved ones wait. A belief that we will return safely, with smiles on our faces, ready to embrace life's every moment. Because no matter how big or small the project is, let's ensure that every step we take brings us safely back to the ones we love. UGES, empowering green energy, upholding safety.